So I got the new half shaft in here. I still got to put on the outer tie rod and this top ball joint. This bolt seems stripped that Cardone sent me. I'm not too happy about that. I'm wondering if I can use the Mercedes bolt that came with it. Let me try that. Take this one off. That doesn't look too good. Here's the one that came with my original axle. Well, that one goes right on. That's what I'll use. Isn't that something? So this bolt that they gave me isn't so good. Just won't use it. Alright, so let's get this top ball joint back in. Let's get this knuckle back on. And we'll call it a day. I actually want to take this back apart. I want to try to increase the number of threads I can adjust because my steering wheel is at 11 o'clock, not 12 o'clock. So I'm probably going to take this thing apart next. Okay, well, that's how to install a new half shaft. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.